Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the basics. Make sure your Redmi 13 5G runs the latest MIUI and has sufficient battery. This avoids interruptions. Now open Settings, go to Special Features, then Game Turbo. Tap the toggle to enable it and add the games you want. Use the plus button to include non-listed apps. Once done, Game Turbo will prepare system optimizations, so you can move to configuration for performance and notifications without delay. Next, you configure in-game tools to match your goals. Open Game Turbo details and set CPU/GPU boost or frame rate caps to balance performance versus heat. Enable Do Not Disturb and block floating notifications so alerts don't steal taps. Lock brightness to keep visual stability. Also turn on network priority and restrict background apps to reduce lag. These choices matter because they trade battery and temperature for smoother gameplay, so adjust gradually and test each change. Finally, launch a game and call up the Game Turbo toolbar to confirm overlays and shortcuts are active. This is your quick control panel. Play for a few minutes while watching FPS, temperature, and battery drain to validate settings. If problems occur, stutters, crashes, or overlays missing, clear Game Turbo cache, reboot the phone, and re-add the game. If that fails, reinstall Game Turbo via settings. One tip: make sure battery saver is off, because it can silently throttle.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.